Hello guys, welcome to Moneyline tips. In this video I want to share with you how you can use Masaniello money management tools to make profit in sport betting. In other words, I want to share with you how to use this Masaniello software to trade to us on daily basis with a capital of 50,000 naira only. So if you use capital of 50,000 naira only to trade my daily 2 hours, you will be able to make a huge profit at the end of the month. So I will show you how much you make with a 50,000 naira capital, and also my target in this particular illustration or tutorial will be 19 days. So if I'm able to win 19 days out of 30 days in a month with a capital of 50,000 naira, I will make so and so much. So stay tuned till the end of this video. As you know, I've shared with you how to use the software before in this channel, so this is a follow-up on that. And this is how the software look like. Once you open it, it will display like this. I will leave the link in the description and the comment section of this video, so check it out and then set your own up. While I'm setting my own up, you also learn so that you'll be able to do your own by yourself. Okay, this is how the software displays. And then once you open the software and you see a display like this, I'm using a mobile phone, so if you are using a PC or a laptop, your own will be different from this, a bit different. So just check it out. Once you open it, this is what you see here in this box where they say, let me put my brush so that you'll be able to see what I'm showing you. Once you open your software, you see this box where they say try out Masaniello, and then the first box is initial budget, which is this box. And this initial budget simply means that how much you want to trade with, which is your capital. And that, in our case, in this video, we will be using 50,000 naira. Okay, you type here 50,000. Why I'm using 50,000 naira? Because I'm a Nigerian, so that is our currency here. You can use your own currency in your own country, and then and try it out. Okay, the initial currency that the software is using is euro. I think this is euro or pound. Euro, yeah. So but just put your own local currency. They just type the figure there. Then the second box is total events, which is this. So in this total event box, what you put there is how many days do you want to run this project. In our case, we want to run it for 1 month, which is 30 days. So you put 30 here, which is 30 days. Then the second box is, or the third box is average odds. How many odds do you want to play with? In our case, we are using only 2 odds on daily basis, so you type 2 here. Then the third one is, or the fourth one is required guest event. Required guest event simply means that how many days do you want to win out of the 30 days. So in our case, we are using 19 days only. So if we put 19 days here, 19. Okay, what this software does is that you will calculate how much you will make as profit at the end of that project. So once you put all this data in these boxes, this software will automatically generate how much you will make at the end of the project. Okay, now you can see ROI. ROI means return on investment, which is showing us a 9.98%. Then balance is plus 448,000 781 naira, which is the profit you make if you are using only 50,000 naira as your portfolio, or in other words, as your capital. Then the final budget, which is this one, your final budget, which is this, as you can see, is 498,781 naira. This simply means that how much you have staked so far in that 30 days window. Let's assume that in that 30 days you win only 19 days, and out of the 11 days that is left, it was losses in between. So what this final budget tells you is that how much you have spent so far in this 30 days window, which is this 498,781. Okay, let's get started. Let me show you how to use this software fully. Okay, once you put all this data down, then you come to this window. This window here, you can see this big box. What you do in this big box is to name this project, and then you put a name that you like. In our case, I want to put Moneyline tips, because we are using Moneyline tips to run this project. Once you put the name that you want to name this project, and this box here, this blue box where they say create Masaniello here, will be highlighted. Once this place is highlighted blue like this, it means that your Masaniello is ready. So what you need to do is click on create Masaniello. Click on that blue box. Once you click on that, it will save your project. Now this is our project. As you can see here, you can see Moneyline tip, which is in a yellow box. So that is our project. So what you need to do is you come here every day that you want to or the first day that you want to start your project, your betting. You come here and you click on this yellow box. This is what it would display. It would display this spreadsheet. Most of you that work with spreadsheet should know what spreadsheet is. And this, as you can see average 2 odds. You can see day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 till 30 days that you have set. Now on your day 1, which is the first day that you want to start the betting, what you need to do is to come here, and as you can see, this is your day 1. This software already know how much you want to start the project with, which is 50,000 naira here. Now this software have allocated how much you stake in your first day of the project, which is this amount here, 16,071 naira. So what you need to do on your first day, once I give you the 2 odds, you go to your betting platform or your bookie, and then you come to this Masaniello, copy this amount, this 16,071 naira. On your first day, you go to your betting platform and you stake the first bet with this particular amount. Your own might be different based on your budget, but in this video I'm only using 50,000 naira as my capital. So this is your first day bet. Once you place your first day bet, let's assume the bet won. What you need to do is to come to this last box here. This box, as you can see, there are 3 boxes here. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third box that I'm talking about. So this third box, what you need to do is to come here and click this arrow, this down arrow, click on it. This is what you see, loss and win. So if you win the game, you click on win. Once you click on win, the software will automatically generate your profit in the first day, which is 32,146 142 naira. So now your total capital has increased to 66,071 naira, which is this, and this is your profit on your first day. So this is your second day stake. So this second day stake, you copy it again and stake your second day, and let's assume that you win again. You continue like that. Let's say there's a loss in between, maybe on your day 4 you click on loss. What this software will do is to recalculate how much you stake on your 5th day. As you can see, your profit has reduced, and then your balance has also reduced. So you calculate how much you stake on your 5th day. So you copy this again and stake. Let's assume you win. You come here and click win. Then you also generate what you stake in the 6th day. So you do that, like continue doing that every day, and then when there's a loss, put your loss. When there's a win, put your win, until you get to the end of this project. If you if there's a lot of winnings and you get to that 19 days that you set as your target, this project will end automatically. So what that means is that you close this project, and this will show you how much you have won or how much profit you have made, and this will reflect in your betting account. So what you do is start a new project again. As you can see, we had some losses. How many losses? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 losses in a period of 25 days. So 6 losses, and you have 19 wins, and your project end on day 25. As you can see, this green box here. So this is the day that your project ended, which is on day 25. As you can see here, day 25, you ended your the software ended your project automatically, because you have met your target, which was 25. I mean, which was 19 days. That means you have had 19 winnings out of 25 days, and you have 6 losses so far. This software will end your project. Now let's see how much you have made as profit. Remember, you started with a capital of 50,000 naira, and this is your total profit at the end of the project, which is 498,789 naira. Now if you subtract your 50,000 naira capital from 789 naira, you will have a profit of 449,889 naira as profit. So it's a good software, and it will help you manage your portfolio and tells you how much you make at the end of the project. So it's very good. This software is used by stockbrokers, also used by um, crypto traders, also used by sport betting traders. And as you know, we take sport betting as business, as investment. So treat it as business, and then use all the necessary tools and information at your disposal to make sure that you beat your bookie. Okay, guys, that is just a simple illustration how this software works. So maybe in subsequent time I will also be sharing with you um, different strategy on how to make profit from sport betting. So that is all for this video on how to use Masaniello to make profit in sport betting. Thank you so much for staying tuned, and I will leave the link for my WhatsApp in the comment section for those people that want to join our daily premium tours starting um, on the 10th of August 2023. So I believe this new month and new football season will be a profitable one for each and every one of us if you use the right tools and use the right platform um, and do your project. Thank you again, and see you in our next video.